What is the full form of the MOSFET? Option A, minimum output signal FET. Option B, medium oscillator signal FET. Option C, metal oxide semiconductor FET. Option D, metal organic serial FET. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, metal oxide semiconductor FET. Which type of MOSFET construction is indicated? Option A, IGBT. Option B, dual gate MOSFET. Option C, depletion type MOSFET. Option D, enhancement type MOSFET. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি, dual gate MOSFET. What is the name of the electronic component symbol? Option A, N-channel depletion type MOSFET. Option B, P-channel depletion type MOSFET. Option C, N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. Option D, P-channel enhancement type MOSFET. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. What is the name of the electronic component symbol? Option A, JFET. Option B, IGBT. Option C, P-channel MOSFET depletion type. Option D, N-channel MOSFET deflection type. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি, N-channel MOSFET defletion type. What is the name of electronic component symbol? Option A, JFET. Option B, IGBT. Option C, P-channel MOSFET depletion type. Option D, N-channel MOSFET defletion type. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, P-channel MOSFET depletion. What is the type of MOSFET? Option A, depletion type MOSFET. Option B, insulated gate FET. Option C, enhancement type N-channel MOSFET. Option D, enhancement type P-channel MOSFET. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, enhancement type N-channel MOSFET. What is the type of optocoupler? Option A, photo-SCR. Option B, phototriac. Option C, phototransistor. Option D, photo-Darlington. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, phototransistor. What is the name of the electronic component symbol? Option A, P-channel depletion type MOSFET. Option B, N-channel depletion type MOSFET. Option C, P-channel enhancement type MOSFET. Option D, N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. উত্তর হবে অপশন এ, P-channel depletion type MOSFET. What is the type of MOSFET symbol? Option A, N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. Option B, P-channel enhancement type MOSFET. Option C, N-channel depletion type MOSFET. Option D, P-channel depletion type MOSFET. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, N-channel depletion type MOSFET. What is the name of this special type electronic device with 4 connection? Option A, high frequency bipolar transistor. Option B, junction field effect transistor. Option C, silicon bilateral switch. Option D, MOSFET tetrode. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি, MOSFET tetrode. What is the maximum blocking voltage of very high current handling IGBT modules? Option A, 440 volt. Option B, 1000 volt. Option C, 5000 volt. Option D, 6000 volt. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি, 6000 volt. What is the input impedance of IGBT? Option A low input impedance. Option B high input impedance. Option C medium input impedance. Option D infinity input impedance. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি, high input impedance. What is the use of the test circuit? Option A to test the working condition of FET. Option B to test the working condition of UJT. Option C to test the working condition of IGBT. Option D to test the working condition of LDR. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, to test the working condition of IGBT. What is the advantage of MOSFET? Option A fast switching speed. Option B slow switching speed. Option C higher power get signal. Option D low thermal ionization of electron holes. উত্তর হবে অপশন এ, fast switching speed. What is the advantage of MOSFET? Option A superior current conduction capability. Option B low gate signal power requirements. Option C very low on-state voltage. Option D low driving power. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি, low gate signal power requirement. What is the advantage of IGBT? Option A it has low input impedance. Option B low efficiency and slow switching. Option C high efficiency and fast switching. Option D IGBT is a gate current driving device. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, high efficiency and fast switching. What is the advantage of IGBT? Option A low driving power. Option B low gate signal power. Option C fast switching speed. Option D used to isolate logic circuit. উত্তর হবে অপশন A, low driving power. What is the main advantage of IGBT over BJT? Option A first switching speed. Option B superior current conducting capability. Option C reverse bias secondary breakdown. Option D thermal limits are pushed to the edge. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি, superior current conducting capability. How many alternating layers are there in IGBT? Option A 2 layers. Option B 3 layers. Option C 4 layers. Option D single layers. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, 4 layers. Which insulation layer is used in MOSFET? Option A silicon dioxide. Option B arsenic material. Option C antimony material. Option D germanium material. উত্তর হবে অপশন A, silicon dioxide. Which electrical quantity controls the operation of the bipolar transistor device? Option A energy. Option B current. Option C voltage. Option D frequency. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি, current. How the two series connected channel region of the deflection type dual gate MOSFET is controlled? Option A independently controlled. Option B alternately controlled. Option C one at a time is controlled. Option D both are simultaneously controlled. উত্তর উত্তর হবে অপশন এ, independently controlled. What is the name of the layer mark X in the MOSFET construction? Option A, depletion layer. Option B, inversion layer. Option C, insulation layer. Option D, recombination layer. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি, inversion layer. What is the drawback of IGBT compared to the power MOSFET? Option A, poor switching speed. Option B, poor current conduction capability. Option C, higher driving power requirement. Option D, not suitable for power application. উত্তর হবে অপশন এ, poor switching speed. How the drive circuit for the power MOSFET are coupled? Option A, direct coupling method. Option B, using logic circuitry. Option C, using pulse transformer. Option D, using transistor. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, using pulse transformer. Which circuit use the enhancement type MOSFET? Option A, higher frequency switching circuits. Option B, high power amplifier circuit. Option C, low power oscillator circuit. Option D, integrated MOS switching circuit. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি, integrated MOS switching circuit. When does the complementary metal oxide type MOSFET configuration consume power? Option A, while it holds its state. Option B, always consume power. Option C, never consume power. Option D, during switching. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি, during switching. Why the electronic device IGBT is preferred over the power MOSFET? Option A, low switching speed. Option B, higher driving power requirement. Option C, higher switching repetition rate. Option D, suitability for medium power application. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি, higher switching repetition rate.